Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, Instagram. Marcus here. How's it going? Want to do a quick Facebook Live because I promised yesterday to do a Facebook, Instagram Live on how many trees we planted in the month of December. So I'm here to report back and tell you about our tree planting initiative or program. So happy Sunday to everybody, or whatever day you're watching this. My monthly tree videos usually get a lot of views, a lot of shares. We do a neat thing here at the restaurant. For every bottle of organic spirit that we buy, we actually plant a tree. We are green certified. It's not part of our green certification at all to do this, but the reason why we do this is because restaurants are one of the biggest culprits to the environment. So restaurants, because of the way cattle, livestock, mass agriculture, all those kinds of things destroy the environment the way we do. Now, of course, we here at Aroma Time are much more conscious about the food that we buy, grass-fed. But still, the problem is packing, shipping, even grass-fed cattle, even just producing food takes a toll on the environment. So we feel, Jamie and I feel, that we need to plant trees to sort of offset and help that carbon footprint a little bit. So every month we plant around 50 or so trees. We're on track to plant 500 trees over the last 12 months. We just started this program last March, and it's been very successful. So what we do is, for every single bottle of organic spirits that we buy behind our bar, we plant a tree. We got this idea from the folks at Green Bar Distillery, so it wasn't an original idea. We got it from Green Bar, and they plant a tree for every bottle they sell. And we use a lot of Green Bar products, and we said, wow, that's great. We'd like to do that as well. But then we expanded to every single bottle of organic spirits that we buy. So we were just at Green Bar this summer in California. Great people, great distillery. Husband and wife own it. They've owned it since 2003. They planted over 1 million trees, I think, now. So we're on track to do 500 for this year. So I tallied up all the bottles of organic spirits that we bought for the month of December, and it turns out we have now planted for the month of December 45 trees. So there's our certificate from 1 tree planted. These trees went into Colorado. We usually now plant in the Appalachian Mountains. I hit the wrong button when I hit to donate the trees. But usually we do the Appalachian Mountains now because that's an option. Before, Colorado was the only option, so I was used to going in and pressing Colorado. So 45 more trees planted this month, and it's all because of you guys. It's because of the support of our great guests who come in and support us that we do this. So we don't do this alone. People that buy into, of course, our organic cocktail program. Even our well vodka right now is organic.